To edit photos on Pixel 8, start in the Play Store and make sure Google Photos is up to date. Then open the Photos app and you're going to select the photo you would like to edit. We then have the edit button, tap on this one, and once it loads, you have suggestions here, and then you have all of the tools in your arsenal. You can swipe across to select the tools, and if you notice a feature like Magic Eraser, etc. is not showing, then you do need to make sure you're on the latest Google software, and you also need an active internet connection. So you select the tool you want to use, then use the tool, so in this case circle an object to remove it, and once we're done, we'll tap on done, and then save copy, and we'll save a new copy, and we're now done.